Okay, so what I need to decide now is the front of this cake. So I'm thinking to myself, it's my little skewer. So I'm gonna have his little ears right here, and his little nose is gonna be like right about here. So I want something like this for his belly. I need to turn that around so I can see it. So just get a general idea of where I want the belly.
We want to see it.
I know, you will, after I'm done drawing. Okay. So I got a general idea of where I want the belly because I want that to be white and the rest of it to be pink. Okay, so now I'm ready. Start from the bottom and work your way up. I'm going to have one pink layer at the very bottom. So I've already done these ahead of time. All the way down. And I can't see what I'm doing. It just sticks to the buttercream and me. Okay, and then I'm going to start with the white layer. And the white layer, you just kind of go wherever you put your lines. Make sure you overlap the non-cut part of the pink. And then you just trim it off where you want to stop. Okay, and then the next layer goes on top. I want this to frill a little bit more. And you need to overlap it, so I need to see, make sure I'm overlapping this. Okay. So you need to overlap the previous layer. See that non-cut part? You want to make sure that is overlapped with frills. Everyone okay?
Yeah.
And then again. It goes together really fast.
Yeah. And can you use marshmallow fondant underneath?
Yep.
The rice paper?
Yep. If you do that, you're going to have to use like something to help it stick. So water is dangerous.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's wafer paper and it'll soak it up. You can use piping gel, but be extremely sparing with the piping gel. And you can use, the alcohol because you need the liquid to evaporate because what happens is, this will absorb it and it'll wrinkle. So be very careful with it. When you do it, just be very sparing, that's all. But yes, you certainly can. Because you need more sugar with the marshmallow fondant. After all, we don't have enough sugar on here.
It's true. Let's figure out ways we could put more sugar into it.
Guys. So it should start looking like a real piñata.
Yeah.
And I really like these guys to frill, so I, scrunch them up a little bit. Isn't he cute?
Yep.
Okay, so there's that. Then what you're going to do is you are going to continue with the pink, okay, to build on. And you just attach it right on the side here, right where he was, and just go around. So I'm going to do this for the next bazillion years.
Yeah, but it looks easy.
It is. It's really easy.
It looks awesomely easy.
Yep, it is easy. It is an easy, easy peasy cake to do. This will make a great hula girl cake.
Oh, yeah.
And it doesn't take a lot. I think I used like 3 or 4 sheets of wafer paper to do this little guy. Didn't take a lot. Just press it on the frosting. Now, as you get toward the top, you might need to take a couple, because it's the circumference is less and it's, straight. So you may need to take a couple snips to do shorter strips. And I'll show you as I get there. So we got this right here. So as I'm coming around, it's kind of sticking out. I can press it for this layer, but I'm probably going to need to start snipping because see how it's sticking out like that? I don't know if you can see that sticking out. It's because the circumference is, you just need to cut it like so. Cut it so it fits. This is just from the bottom layer.